Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bishnumm, and if this is your first time on my channel, thank you for coming here. I appreciate you being here. If you want to see how I created this makeup look, continue watching and do subscribe to my channel. Do like this video if you think this makeup was nice. Just so you know a little bit about me, I'm a flight attendant and I do travel vlogs. I record a little bit of my travel life and post those on YouTube. So if you are interested in something like that, then please do subscribe to my channel. It will help me a lot and you'll get to see me. Win-win for both of us. And in today's video, I want to do like a little bit of a dramatic makeup. I haven't done a dramatic makeup in a while, so do bear with me. So most of my makeup is gonna focus on my eye because obviously I'll be wearing masks, so they can't really see my rest of the face. But still, it is gonna be, I think, a full coverage. Even though I'm using this foundation, Laura Mercier foundation, even though this foundation does say like long wear, all that, I think it is very liquidy and it doesn't really cover a lot, so I'll just give it a try. So since I'm in Canada, I don't know if it's because I'm in Canada or what, but Friends is playing on Netflix, so that's like one of the best things that happened since I came to Canada. I was just on Netflix the other day just chilling, you know, and then I saw Friends and I was like, what? Why is Friends on Netflix? Friends on Netflix. And I started watching it again from the beginning. So it's like nice. I'm happy that I have something to watch in here. And I went some grocery shopping and stuff to buy. My eyebrows are like so freaking long. They're like... I bought this from Vegas when I went there with my friends when we were on our road trip. I haven't used it. I am so excited to use this. This is my first time using it. I think this is a lot for like this product, but let me use this. I'm excited. Let's give it a try. Oh my god, this is thick and it does not match my skin tone, or it's like way too light for me. With like a smaller brown. Oh, just so you guys know, I'm using this Morphe sponge that I got from Morphe store in Vegas when I was there. So I'm excited to, like, you know, actually use this. I don't know if I like this one better or I like the Real Technique better because I'm so used to using the Real Technique brush. I'm not sure if I like this as much, you know, because I think Real Technique is like my go-to. I'm gonna use my like mini brush. I love this like blending brush. I only have two. I think I only have one blending brush with me. Yep, this is the only blending brush that I have with me, and I have this one, but it's to the regular. This is like an orangey kind of tone. I think this is what I'm gonna do. Like, I'm gonna do it here, and then in the middle I'm just gonna, you guys can see I'm just patting it in there, not doing much, just patting it in there. And as I pat, I'm just moving it upwards, downwards, around like that, so that it kind of looks like I'm like blending as well. Yes, with my contour brush I'm just going to them up there, just together up there. So with the brush that I use to clean my brows, I'm gonna get this brush. Did I bring a sparkle? Okay, I did not bring anything, you guys. So I'm just gonna use this color that's called Primavera, whatever that's called, like this color right here. That's like a shimmery goldish color. So I'm just gonna use that right there. my pinky, I'm just blending it towards the eyeshadow so it looks very diffuse, or like blended in another word. And then adding some more in the middle, and then diffusing it again. So I'm just blending it in there. I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm just looking at it, making sure that they're like even, whatever. And then if I think that it needs more color or whatever, I'm just going back with the same color, and I'm just using one color in here. If you guys think that I'm using more than one color, I'm not. I'm using the same exact color. It's just that like if you pat it a lot more, it just looks a little bit darker, but it's not any other color that I'm using. It's the same color. I'm just, you know, using it and then like packing it all in there. So I did my rest of the face off camera, and I'm going back to the eye to make sure that I don't have like, I don't know, glitters flying all over. Liquid liner. I'm using the e.l.f. Cosmetics. This is in Jet Black, and this is in Midnight. Midnight is a little bit of a like a bluish, darkest blue color. I think darkest blue kind of gives like a really nice kind of illusion kind of eye, so I like it for that reason. It went inside my eye. Oh my god. For my wing, I just made like a line, and then I'm just filling it all up. And I do that, and then from there I just connect the follow with my lash line. That's what I was trying to say. And the liner is done. I just make hope and wish that both of them are like the same. So since my hand was covering it just a bit ago, I'm just drawing a line right on top of my lash line. So that's what I actually meant, if you can see it clearly now. When I do my like eyeliner, I just make sure that I'm like looking down very like, you know, like that, and then like going on top of it. So like when you do this, you can see if it's like similar or different, and then when you look at it this way, then you can like measure if like this one's smaller than this one, or you can also measure it through your eyebrows, but like, you know, sometimes eyebrows are not the same. So to do the inner corner, this is what I do, like look down and then look up, and then just draw it underneath there, not on top but then underneath. And to do that cat, I just do this. Yeah, there it is. I'm gonna use some Too Faced mascara, better than Sex mascara. I make sure that I go like all the way in there. See that like line of it, like right underneath our eyelashes. There's like a space. You want to make sure that you cover that space up, either with like a dark eyeliner or like a pencil liner, or with the mascara. I try to do it with mascara. So and then, because if you have that space in there, it looks weird, especially when you have eyeliner on. Don't just leave that there. So blue mascara really makes my eye pop open, so it makes my eye look a lot more brownish, like more brown. So I think that's why I kind of like blue eyeliner. So now I'm gonna go with eyelashes. I'm gonna focus my eyelashes on my outer corner of the eyes instead of like the inner corners, because to give my eye a little bit of a lift, a little bit of a cat eye look, I'm using the Adele eyelashes. It's called Demi Wispy. It looks like this. It's like a perfect small eyelash. It's like so nice. You can reuse this. They're very strong. I love these lashes. I've been using these lashes for like over 3 years, I think. like this is lifting. Why is that lifting? This one lifted, I don't know, for some reason. I think my glue is dry before I put it on. So some glues, they take forever to dry, and then this glue is like it's on point all the time. Put it in there, and then so the eyelash glue that I was using is like this eyelash glue. It's not like, you're not supposed to be using this again. I love using this glue. This is like one of my favorite glue ever since I went to beauty school. I think that glue has been like my number one favorite glue all time favorite. There's a lip liner by Morphe. It's called P.T. Patel. Patel. Yeah. Take a lot of this out. So I am done with my makeup. This is it for this video. If you guys like this video and if you like this makeup, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And yeah, if you want to see more of my travel vlogs or my makeup and how I kind of live my life as a flight attendant, please do subscribe to my channel. I really hope you like this makeup look. I think I actually love this makeup. Please. Thank you.